Uh, Good day, sir. I am Gabriel Ryan F. Jimenez, and today I'll be demonstrating how I created a simple RESTful API using Spring Boot using Java. So the goal of this project, which is to implement the basic CRUD operations, which stand for create, read, update, and delete, using a RESTful approach. I used the Spring initializer to generate the base project and included these dependencies, which is Spring Web to create the RESTful APIs, Spring Data (JPA) to handle database operations, and H2 database for simple in-memory database, and for Spring Boot DevTools for auto reloading during development. So the first thing is I generated the zip file for the Spring initializer and immediately went here in the project application. Then I made the user controller. I, I made the user Java file. After is the controller. Then is the user respiratory file. I already ran the code, so the Spring Boot is already running. Let's proceed as a Postman, which is the first of the CRUD operations is to create, which in RESTful is post, and I'll add user, which is me, Gabriel Ryan F. Menos. Jimenez. After that is will send, and the user is successfully added to the database as it shows here. There. gabrielryanfms@gmail.com. After is the put I get, which the read operations, which is the get for RESTful is get users. So this gets all the users, which shows all the users. Then if I want a specific user, I just type the ID, which is 2, which shows Abraham Cesar Pada. Then after is the update, which is put in RESTful terms. So let's update user 2. Then let's send it, and it successfully updates. Then lastly, we have the delete. This deletes user from the program. So let's delete number 2, which is Abraham. So user with ID 2 deleted successfully. So it shows here when we refresh it, the user 2 is missing. So that's all, sir. Thank you.